Then we will talk about the proposal to air pollutants and the efforts from the grassroots organization. The first issue we'll talk about is the core pollutants effect to health. The main pollutants of this would be PM 2.5 and nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide and mercury. And the health effects caused by this would be heart attacks, stroke, adverse impact, and most importantly, this impact on children's health. The graph on the left is the impact on children's health in a nearby area where plants were only here. This would be issue by about health effects of polluted drinking water. The main pollutants including some pesticides and pollutants also including human feces and something, and the health effects including drinking and
Populations that are at higher risk of developing diseases such as lung cancer is dependent upon multiple factors. Most notably is determined upon race or socioeconomic status. American Indian, non-white, Hispanic, and Asians are most affected. One major cause for this skewing data is due to the decades of housing segregation, which keeps the minority groups in communally located neighborhoods near big factories. This cycle becomes impossible to break as the same underprivileged communities lack access to quality and necessary medical facilities. If healthcare is provided, it is extremely expensive, and a majority of the individuals in these communities are working in the same factories that cause these health effects. These factories pay them minimum wage, making the vicious cycle impossible for future generations.
Now I would like to introduce a grassroots organization and its efforts. So the organization's name is Little Village Environmental Justice Organization, which is abbreviated as LVEJO, and its goal is to build a sustainable community and improve economic justice and environmental justice. The South London was home to two old and dirty coal-fired power plants, the Crawford plant with the Fisk plant. The two plants are providing so many pollutants to the community, and the residents here are suffering. The organization talked to the families in the neighborhood and hear the local voices, and they also mounted up many people to do a campaign to let the public hear the voice. And they are also conducting collaborative study with the Center for Neighborhood Technology, and they provide many research outcomes in ranges like flooding and polluted drinking water.